Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. This item's been going viral for weeks and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype and the quality feels top tier. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about it because it actually